Morning, guys. I made a post yesterday about a couple items I bought. I got a pretty good deal. I bought a cast iron frying pan, which I have not owned one probably in about 30 years. And that at the time, I think it was probably an 8-inch or 10-inch pan. And I tried cooking in it at a camp, and it didn't go well. Stuff stuck in the pan. It was hard to clean, and I thought it was just garbage, and I haven't had one since. But I know, I think it was Eddy. He made a post, or he reposted something about cast iron frying pans, how they're non-stick and they're easy to clean. So I questioned him on that. I was like, how do you what's the secret? So he said, when he cooks, he uses a lot of butter and cleans it up right afterwards. So seems to work for him. And another, I think it was Robert, he made a comment on my post about the pan, about seasoning it. So between those two posts and comments, decided to do a little bit of research on cast iron frying pans and learned that you need to season them. I did not know that. So yeah, glad I did some research last night. So I got the oven. You probably hear it beeping in the background there. It's getting ready to pre-season the cast iron pan. Yeah, so here's to learning something new. I'm assuming it's been pre-seasoned, but anyway, we're going to pre-season it according to the instructions. So here's the instructions. It says to re-season the frying pan. Up here it says pre-season cast iron, heats and cooks evenly. Then down here it says to re-season. So it just says put some oil, rub it all in, inside and out. Put it in the oven for about, I think it says for an hour here. After an hour, turn it off, let it to cool down, and then remove the frying pan from the oven while it's still warm using mitts. Wipe excess oil off, and then let it cool outside the oven. So we're going to do that. Okay, so this pan is now cool. You can see how shiny it is, and it feels dry. It doesn't feel oily or anything. So I think it's been seasoned pretty well. I guess we'll find out tomorrow when we make some breakfast. Thing of note, it says after use, wash it with warm water and no soap. And then to dry it, they say make sure it's completely dry before you store it. Some people, from what I've seen online, they say throw it back in the oven or throw it back on the fire if you're camping to get it to dry before you store it so it doesn't rust. So hopefully I'll be able to make some breakfast into this tomorrow morning without any problems. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's it for today. Bye.